and I'm going to put your zip code in there. That's where you have your Google Places account listed. So I can show you how we can isolate your area so you're not driving all over hell and high water, so to speak. Now, this is the entire 5-mile radius around your location. And we can add in, if you want, you can put a comma, 30017, if we want to put this area in right here. So you can kind of cherry pick areas around your location. It looks like we have a park or a community park. Sometimes you can see where, like Chateau Elan or wherever, there may be a nicer neighborhood. But I think honestly you'll do better hitting neighborhoods that are actually rather wooded, because obviously they'll have more trees. If you click on table over here, you can actually organize this by income level. So we can literally just cherry pick the highest income levels. And anytime you select one that shows you this means there's 2 post offices that you need to drop off at. So this one would have 685 pieces dropped off to the Loganville post office, and this Grayson post office would have 671 pieces. Now we would bundle those for you. It would be 6 bundles of 100 and 1 bundle of 71, just to give you an idea of how that works. But let's go back to the map and let's see. Let's add a couple more of these zip codes in here. 30078, comma, 30039, comma, let's see what else we got here. And you may want to just zoom out. All right, so we got 30012, and hit enter, and let's see what comes up there, because we weren't hitting a lot of high income levels. Now, again, like I said, I don't really necessarily think high income is where you want to go. I mean, most higher income homes probably are going to be rather, they're not going to be as wooded. They're going to be, your open concept design with, your arborvitae trees that don't really have a lot of leaves. So when you go into your table here, maybe get a middle of the road kind of idea. So if you map it by income level, maybe stick around the 68s. And you can basically select these, and maybe you don't want to hit this other route. Maybe you just want to keep it down to one route so you're not having to include a second post office just to save your time on driving to another post office. Let's see. Yeah, every time we add one of those, it's going to continue to... Here, maybe we organize it by route now, and then we can pick a couple of these. Now, you can only do 5,000 pieces, so boom, taking that one out right there dropped us right to $49.91. That's the most you can do in one mailing, and your postage cost would be this right here. Now at 5,000, you would be at 16. I think we're at 17 cents a piece times 5,000 is 850 plus your 933. So you're at about just under $1,800 to hit 5,000 homes. And what you want to do is take your average profitability from each job that you would get, and if you even had a 1% conversion on this, that's 50 jobs. So you got to kind of think, you'll never know how these will convert until you try. And some industries just they get pounded with business. Some are okay, but most of the time when we do these, we see that people are doing them over and over and over again. And guess what? Our industry that does more than any is the tree surgeon and Cat's Tree Service. So you're in the same vicinity as what they're doing, in the sense that you're cleaning leaves out of trees, not out of trees, but off the roof, and they are actually removing trees and doing trimming and different types of services along those lines. So if they did not make money doing this, they wouldn't be doing it. So, and they wouldn't continue to do it. So I want you to know, why it costs what it costs. I mean, this is the cheapest way to get your message across in the hand of your core demographic. Every one of these people that receive this Every Door Direct Mail piece, they own a home. And just to make sure of that, you can actually go in here, and I believe that it does residences and businesses See right here, residence and business routes. Well, we just want to do residences only. And that way it isolates you down to only homes. So that's how this Everydoor Direct Mail tool works. Now, I'll send you a link with this video so you can play with this tool and see how it works. But I wanted to show you this so that you had a better understanding of how the system, how it works and how it could benefit you. And not only that, I mean, you'll be saving so much money in gas, not driving all over the place. This is a one way to really isolate and reach your core demographic on a local level.